I will build an amazing WordPress website for your business. Are you seeking a WordPress website that is both creative and productive? That's cutting edge, lightning fast, and fully responsive across all devices and browsers. You've come to the correct location. I'm a front-end and back-end developer with extensive experience. I've gained a lot of knowledge in WordPress website design and development after working on over 400 WordPress websites. What will you receive? Install the latest theme and necessary plugins, such as a Ocean WP Generate Press theme, Elementor Pro, etc. Visually attractive graphical layout designs. Design clean and responsive web pages. Apply brand color scheme. Well tested from a visitor's point of view. SEO, security and performance optimization. CTA, CRM, and contact form. Google Map, Analytics, Social Share. 100% easy editable. Complete blog, portfolio, e-commerce, business website. Fix, revamp, and redesign WordPress website. Hash extras you can order. Tutorial video on maintenance. Premium SEO. Premium maintenance support more. Hash WhyMe. WordPress specialist. Great in communication.